My grandmother, she grew up in an old city next to Jewish people, and she had Jewish friends, and she, from what I know, from what she told me, she used to play with them, and also during the war, she kind of helped. Not like she didn't hit people, but she gave them food and helped them with some like official documents. And after the war, she kept in touch with some of those people, and I remember like I found in her stuff like a card from Haifa from the 50s with like thank you for your help, and like we are sending oranges to you from Israel. Like back in the 50s, oranges, that was a good like big thing in Poland. So
Indeed.
yeah. So that was her neighborhood.